Hi, this is Chatrasi. Here in this lesson, I am going to explain you about the circulatory pathways. This topic comes under body fluids and circulation. So, from this topic, circulatory pathways, here multiple choice type of questions or multiple option like questions and matching type of questions may become. Okay, so please listen carefully. Okay, basically here circulations are two type of two types. Two types of circulations are there. Circulatory systems are there. They are open type of circulatory systems and closed type of circulatory systems. Here two types of circulatory systems are there. Open type and closed type. 1 second, please. Open type of circulatory system and closed type of circulatory system. Here, if we say uh, cockroaches, molluscans. In these animals, here open type of circulatory system is there. Here blood flows in spaces. They are called as sinuses. Okay, so two types of circulations. Two types of circulations. Number one, open type. Number two, closed type. In open type, here there is no particular blood vessels. For example, if you take cockroach, here open type of circulatory system is there. Blood flows through large spaces called sinuses. Okay. In closed type of circulatory system, here particular blood vessels are provided to flow blood. Okay. So example here all vertebrates. Okay. Open type cockroach means arthropoda, arthropods, and here all approximately all vertebrates and annelids like animals. Okay, only few examples are I'm giving here. So here heart. Heart is the main important organ for uh, circulatory system. Okay, if we say in fishes, it is very important. In fishes, here two chambered heart. Here heart contains only two chambers, one atrium, one ventricle. Okay, so here only two chambers are there in fishes. Next, if you take amphibians, here three chambered heart. Heart contains three chambers, two atria, and one ventricle. Two atria and one ventricle. Like the three chambered heart is there in amphibians. If we see in reptiles here, incomplete four chambered heart is there. Okay, here two atria are there, two atria. The same time here, ventricle is incompletely divided into two chambers. Okay, ventricle divided into two incomplete chambers. Incomplete chambers. Okay, like this. So incompleted four chambers will be there in reptiles, but in fishes only two chambers are there. In amphibians, three chamber heart is there. Reptiles, all reptiles except crocodiles. Please remember here, except crocodiles here, in all reptiles, ventricle is incompletely divided into two chambers. Right? Next to birds or aves, birds and mammals, mammals here heart is divided into four chambers. Four chambered heart is there. Four chambered hearts. Two atria and two ventricles are there. Two ventricles. Okay. And even crocodiles also. Crocodiles also contains four chambered heart. Crocodiles, birds, and all mammals possess four chambered heart. Okay. Right. See here, this topic it is asked as here one side match the following. Listen carefully. Match the following. Matching test. Matching test. Okay. Here fishes. Okay. Amphibians. Next to birds. Okay. Mammals. Here two chambers, three chambers, four chambers, four chambers. Like one side here, name of the group of the animals, another side here, number of chambers there are. So, like these questions will be asked in MSET examination as well as in NEET examination. Okay, please remember. Next, here circulation, single circulation, double circulation. If we see here, two-chambered heart in fishes, here this is here atrium, this is ventricle, ventricle. So here directly here atrium receives blood from body parts, body parts. Okay, deoxygenated blood, it enters into the atrium. From atrium, here this deoxygenated blood comes into the ventricle. So from ventricle, with this deoxygenated blood goes to gills, gills. From there, oxygenated blood goes to body parts. So in this way here, only single circulation, only single circulation is there in fishes. Only single circulation. See here, here heart supplies blood only to gills. That is why here this heart is called bronchial heart. Bronchial heart means it's supplying blood to gills. So after oxygenation in gills, so here purified oxygenated blood directly goes to the body parts. From there, deoxygenated blood comes to atrium. Okay, in this way here, single circulation is there in fishes. Next, if you see amphibians, in amphibians, incomplete double circulation is there. In amphibians here, three chambered heart is there, two atrium, only one ventricle. Okay, so here this atrium receives deoxygenated blood from all body parts. Okay, right atrium, this is right atrium. RA means right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from all body parts. Then this blood enters into the ventricle. Okay. Next, this left atrium, LA means, please remember, left atrium, it receives oxygenated blood from lungs. ga- gills, okay, lungs, skin, sorry, skin, okay, from lungs, skin, pharynx, pharyngeal respiration is there, bucopharyngeal respiration also there in amphibians. So from such organs here, oxygenated blood comes to left atrium. So this oxygenated blood enters into the ventricle. So in the ventricle, please observe here, in the ventricle here, oxygenated, deoxygenated, both bloods are mixing. So from here through, this is conus arteriosus, okay, through conus arteriosus, this mixed blood will be supplied to body parts. Okay, remember in amphibians, which kind of blood is supplying? Mixed blood. Mixed blood is going to all body parts. Okay, so here complete double circulation is not there. Okay, here this is systemic cycle, body parts to heart, and this is pulmonary circle, body parts to respiratory organs. But here in the heart, means here in the ventricle, these oxygenated and deoxygenated bloods are not completely separating. That is why here this circulation means in amphibians, incomplete circulation is there, right? So in fishes, only single circulation is there. In amphibians, incompleted double circulation is there. Okay. Next, let us see in birds and mammals and crocodiles like animals here. Four-chambered heart is there. Here heart with two atria and two ventricles. See here ventricles, two ventricles, two atria. This is right atrium, this is left atrium, and here this is right ventricle, this is left ventricle. Okay. So here right atrium receives blood. Which blood? Deoxygenated blood from body parts. BP means body parts. Okay. And the left atrium receives oxygenated blood from respiratory organs. Respiratory organs. Okay, whether lungs are, gills are, whatever they may be. Okay, so in this way here, oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood, here completely separating, okay, in the heart. So see here, this deoxygenated blood comes to the left, right ventricle. From here, here it goes to respiratory organs. Here after oxygenation, here this oxygenated blood, it is coming to the left ventricle, left atrium. Okay. So here this circuit between respiratory organs and heart. Here this is pulmonary circulation or circuit, pulmonary circulation. Next, another circulation. See here, this oxygenated blood, this oxygenated blood coming into the left ventricle from here through systemic arch. Okay, it is going to body parts. See, body parts. BP means body parts. Okay, again, deoxygenated blood comes to right atrium. So this is called systemic circulation. Systemic circulation. Okay, in this way here, two circulations are there, two circuits are there. Number one, pulmonary circulation. Number two, systemic circulation. In this way here, see, here in the heart of mammals and birds and crocodiles, here impure blood and pure blood completely separated from each other. Okay, so in this way here, double circulatory system is there. Double circulation. Okay. In amphibians, incomplete double circulation is there. In fishes, single circulation is there. Okay, now in this way here, double circulation and single circulation. Okay. Next to here, this heart blood, it is supplying oxygenated blood to body parts. So we can say it is systemic heart, systemic heart. But in fishes, here blood flows to gills only. That is why it is called as branchial heart. Okay. In this way, here we can explain about the circulatory pathways. Okay. Please remember every path. Okay. Right. We will meet in another class. Thank you.